What if a website promises faster progress, rare items, and instant upgrades in your favorite games, but the real question is, can you actually trust it? In today's video, we're taking a closer look at GameBoost and the big question many gamers are asking in 2026. Is GameBoost legit or just another risky gaming marketplace online? GameBoost.com has been gaining attention for offering a wide range of services, including gaming accounts, digital game keys, in-game currencies, items, top-ups, and even professional boosting services for popular multiplayer games. According to the platform, it has processed more than 2.1 million orders worldwide, which on the surface suggests a large and active customer base. When you check review platforms like Trustpilot, you'll find thousands of ratings and customer comments discussing their experiences. Some users mention smooth transactions, fast delivery of digital items, and responsive support, while others talk about delays, refund concerns, or communication issues. This kind of mixed feedback is actually pretty common for large online marketplaces, especially in the gaming industry where transactions can involve third-party sellers and digital goods. Another thing worth noting is that GameBoost maintains an active presence on several social media platforms, regularly posting updates, promotions, and community content, which usually indicates an effort to stay transparent and engaged with users. The website itself also explains its services step by step, describing how purchases, boosting services, and account transfers are supposed to work, which can help new customers understand the process before spending money. However, like with any online marketplace dealing with gaming accounts or digital currencies, it's important to approach with caution and do your own research first. Platforms like GameBoost may work well for some gamers, but not necessarily for everyone. So a smart approach is to start with a small purchase, verify how the process works, and carefully review the policies before committing to anything bigger. In the end, GameBoost appears to be a well-known platform in the gaming marketplace space. But as always, staying informed and cautious is the best way to avoid unnecessary risks when buying digital gaming services online.